right, friends, collectors, the Gold Rush Shoebox collection is back. This is the football version, and this is number 2. So thank you guys for joining, man. Peace and hair grease. 14. Whoa, we got select football. All right, you guys, football collectors. We got 3 pick your team breaks. Select is now a filler. There's 14 to go. There are the teams: Cardinals, Ravens, Panthers, Bears, Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Chiefs, Patriots, Jets, Eagles, Seahawks, and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. They're all in there. So it's a nice opportunity there, guys. Just a couple to go in the select. So after eBay, we'll keep it rolling. All right, here we go. Wembanyama's opportunity in the random interbox break. Another one. Come on, baby. Bowman, you. All right, anyway, let's go ahead and randomize for this. Shoebox. Shoebox number 2. By the way, it's case number 16. 16 of 100. Where'd it go? Where'd that die go, Charlie? Here we go. All right, 3 plus 2. All right, guys. Rams to Bears. Okay, teams randomized. Boom. All right, now everybody in. Wyatt to Mark. Again, if it's a college item, it'll go to the current team or majority of career. 3 and 1. After 4 clicks, Scotty G down to Michael S. All right, guys, so there we go. Both LA's up top there for Scott and Josh. All right, I'm going to sort it alphabetically by your names, guys, and then I'll do the copying and pasting up onto the screen. Cody up top there with Arizona, and YC with the Eagles. And the Texans, too. All right, so there we go. Yeah. Oh, there it does. It does say football. All right. All right, guys. If you're here early for eBay Brothers. eBay Brothers. What's up, Steve Brush? All right, let's see what we got. I'm going to open this thing up. You guys can kind of see from the above cam, the box, but I'm going to have room here for the contents. All right, here we go. I'm going to bring out the mini helmet first because it's obvious. It's a blue. It's a white. Red, white, and blue. Who is it? Who is this? Buffalo Mark. Hey, surprise, surprise. It's Swerving Thurman Thomas. Oh, man. That's not bad at all. That's cool. I like the Swerving Thurman. Thurman Thomas for the Buffalo Bills. Mark. Congrats. All right, so there's one item. All right, I'm gonna dig down here and see if I gotta find some cards. Here we go. All right, here we go. First one is bring it back. An Emmitt Smith 1990 Pro Set autograph rookie card. I mean, they made millions of these cards. I would have liked to seen it be a little bit better condition there, but it's all about the autograph. How about them Cowboys, Scott? That's pretty cool, man. If you collected whenever I did and we all did that were young during this era, you had this card because they made a million of them. And what's cool about the Pro Set is, you know, those boxes were sold at like Value Cities and all your big closeout stores, basically. All right, well, I can't get it to stand up, so Cowboys. Scott, write your name down, man. I dig it. All right, next one is a one-touch. It's Jack Lambert. Contenders Optic. All-time contenders. Pittsburgh. 12/15. Steelers for Jeff T. All right, Jeff. All right, got another one. This is in a BGS. Boy, they did a big, huge signing with Chad Johnson. Mark, congrats, man. Closer of the break hits the Leaf Rookies and Stars longevity material. So they turned a rookie jersey card. Never mind, it's just Leaf Rookies and Stars. That's not his rookie year, is it? Nah, he was definitely not. So that's fun, kind of cool. They took a memorabilia card and they turned it into an auto memorabilia card. So that's pretty cool. All right. So, Mark there, the Chad Johnson Ocho Cinco's. I wish he would sign in the Ocho Cinco thing. I wonder if he did sign some things in that way. All right, any more cards? I think there's one more in there at least. And here is a 1/1 printing plate. That is a Rams number 28. The Marshall Plan. Marshall Falk 1/1. Boom! Scott, that's cool. Marshall Falk, LA Rams. All right. Pretty nice stuff there. All right. Any more cards? I don't think so. All right. Here comes a jersey. Oh, I like it. Check it out, guys. Number 13 for the Miami Dolphins. Dan the Man. What a great autograph he has. Mark, another one. Boom. A little JSA authentication on the Dan Marino. Let me bring this one up. That's awesome. All Miami. Yep, Mark again. Yeah, just make sure I. Yep, that's sure right. right, so Mark. Congrats. How about the other jersey? It is a number 12. There he is. Chris Olave. Saints march in for Matthew. Saints custom jersey. Back and authenticated of Chris Olave of the Ohio State Football Network. Now a Saint. All right, here we go, guys. I got some 8x10s. Ain't nothing left in that shoebox. Ain't nothing left. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Oh, boy. Do we have a Rudy spot? It's signed by Rudy. Somebody knows a lot more about this picture than I do. So, did this guy play in the NFL at all? Never quit. Rudy. All right, so that one might be a randomization process. I don't know. Next up, though, is a San Francisco 49er. I didn't think so. Robert, nice hit there on McCaffrey. Pictured there is Niners. Just had that one play, right? I don't know. Last one. Somebody's excited. That's a Colts. I see a Colts hat. Oh, it's Tony Dungy. Oh, an autograph of Tony Dungy. Wow, the unexpected. Wyatt, the Indianapolis Colts coach. That one is all yours, man. Indianapolis Colts. I don't even know what the play was. Sadly, I've never watched Rudy. Never really cared much for Notre Dame, so that would be why. He was the Irish mascot, basically, yeah. All right, so there it is, guys. We got to randomize the Rudy. So, and that is going to be all teams in. All right, I'm going to do it by team. We'll figure out, hey, if Rudy was ever to be drafted, what team would he be drafted by? Let's go. Roll the die. Find out. 3+. One more. All right, so 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, and the one that counts. After 5 clicks, the Falcons would have had him. And who has the Atlanta Falcons? Rob, congrats. Chuckster's like, no, it would have been the Lions. All right. Browns could have used some inspiration over the years. That's for sure. When they came back. All right, guys. So that's pretty cool. Thank you, everybody, for joining in. So Scott on the Falk. I got Mark winning that Chad Johnson, the Jack Lambert for Jeff, and Scott also on the Emmett. That's my favorite card, man. That Emmett autograph rookie is pretty darn cool. So anyway, thank you guys, man. Some cool stuff in there. I hope you guys enjoyed. And congrats, of course, to those that hit them. Thanks for the opportunity, everybody, for joining in and giving that one a shot. Some nice items in there in the two that we did. So I'm not sure if any more we can do or not, but cool stuff. Thank you, guys. So, hey, I got one left in the Select Basketball. Jerseys, Select Football is a filler, one in Chronicles. The discount code's active on Chronicles, guys. It's basically like every team is on sale now. On the Panini 1 is 20 and Chronicles is 30. And then I got Autograph Basketball. Again, that jerseys break is cool. It's a great opportunity to hit some memorabilia with 10 instead of the usual 5 or 6. So that too. All right, sounds like, hey, we better get a picture out there of the Rudy. Thank you all, man. eBay break's coming up. It's 9:09. I got a little bit of time here. Does anybody want to break open a personal box? Just let me know. 2021 Chronicles football. $4.25 a box. Special sale price. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you much. I'm going to expand this window and I'll get a little work done here in the background, and then we'll be rolling here for the eBay breaks shortly.